Today, me and my student leadership team got together and did Daniel's workshop, Game Plan for Greatness. Daniel provided us a unique perspective on the different aspects of leadership, and he taught us about how to effectively implement our goals as a leadership team and create our vision statement. Daniel was really engaging, and I would highly recommend him to any schools that are wanting to build relationships between their leadership team or just any of their students in general.
Through the leadership workshop that I did today with my student leadership team, I felt that it really helped us improve our connection as a group and get to know each other better. It also, I guess, helped us come up with different ways that we can implement our plans and in order to properly communicate between different members of the group and hold accountability for different tasks. And I guess, it was really helpful for improving our team and working together as a whole.
Thank you very much for your help today and everything you've offered to the kids. It's fantastic.